Hello! Hello. Hey, handsome guys and beautiful girls out there. I'm not even gonna go through and do my intro. I'm just so pumped. I'm just excited about what today is. Today is Friday, March 16th. And guess what comes out? Yes, that's right. It's the official launch date for the Galaxy S9 and the Galaxy S9 Plus. So guess what I have in this box? What's up, handsome people? I'm so excited for today. I finally got it. Came in the mail. It's awesome. It's great. Superb. Okay. My Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Now this is the first time I'm utilizing the T-Mobile Jump on Demand. So it was pretty cool. I went to my local T-Mobile store. I asked them what is the procedure as far as getting the new Galaxy S9 Plus. They said all I have to do is pay for shipping, which is about $7, and then it'll be shipped to my house. I have 30 days to return my Samsung Galaxy Note 8, or else of course, you know, they'll charge me. So that means we're gonna have some great content coming up, comparison videos, some comparison photos. We're gonna do the best we can, whatever we can, in the next 30 days, and hopefully it'll make your choice a little bit easier as to which one to go with. Enough talking about things that are gonna happen. Let's just get into the unboxing. I definitely don't want to cut myself. Oh my goodness. Sent it to me in a pink box, a magenta box. Are you ready for it, guys? There she be. Well, that's the box at least. The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. On the back of the box, it talks about what's inside the box. Of course, the Galaxy S9 Plus, charger, stereo headset, USB connector, the typical books that come with all cell phones, and of course, it's a T-Mobile product. The best cell phone company on planet Earth. Let's take the sleeve off. Ooh. Come on. Let me get this. Ooh, there we go. Set that to the side. Let's see, is there any more? Yeah. We'll use the blade on this part. Let's get it open. I love unboxing new phones. I love the smell, I love the feel of a new phone. Nice. Just like new shoes. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so let's see what color I went with. Ah, just kidding. All right, so let's lift this up. Underneath this should be the phone itself. Let's see. There it is in all of its glory. Hallelujah. I guess it might be easier to pull this tab up. There we go, guys. Brand new Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus in the coral blue. So let's see what comes in here. All right, so we have our key for our SIM card tray. SIM card, but I already have a SIM card. Then we have the adaptive fast charger. It's the one that's been coming in the phone since I believe the Galaxy S6, I want to say. We've been having adaptive fast charging. May have been the S5. I'm not too sure. Don't quote me on that. USB Type-C to USB Type-A connector. You can connect this to a USB thumb drive and access the files that's on the drive off your phone. Come on, Apple. Where are you at? Where are you at? And here we have the USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable. Of course, there's the AKG headphones and some ear tips for the headphones. Let me get some of these boxes out of the way. Go ahead, talk amongst yourselves. Man, I wish these cars would stop driving by. Come on, cars. When's that red light gonna hit? All right, so we're back. Let's get some of that peeling action going. There we go. Of course, we have the fingerprint sensor in a much better place than last year's model. So it's a nice blue. They're calling it coral blue. Let's take off the front. See if this powers on real quick. Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, powered by Android. T-Mobile, of course. Hello. The bezels are a little bit smaller than last year's model. Feels good in the hand. First time holding one. USB Type-C at the bottom. Speaker, headphone jack. Got our Bixby button still there. Volume down, volume up. Of course, the power button. Top is a tray for the SIM card or the micro SD card. So let's breeze through this real quick just to get us to the home screen. There we have it. Samsung Galaxy S9 unboxing. Hold on one second, let me get a case. So I got my case. This case is from Rinky?
What?
I don't know, it looked pretty cool. It was cheap enough. It's called the Rinky Wave. I believe it's $10 on Amazon. I'll put a link down below. Let's slap it on my S9 Plus. Slap that baby on there. Let's clip it in. Here we go. Got the case fully on. It's nice and flush. Protection of the corners. Pretty cool. They also have about 5 different color options, which all look pretty good, but this is the color I chose because my phone is blue, so I figured I would throw a blue case on it. All right, there we have it. So that was a brief unboxing and first reaction of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Like I said before, I will have more videos out showing more of the features of the S9 Plus. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't care for it, give it a thumbs down. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you're in the loop for all things Handsome Gadgets. Don't forget to follow me at all major social media platforms at Handsome Gadgets. Thank you and have a good one.